My Last Duchess is a famous poem written by Robert Browning. In this poem, the Duke of Ferrara talks to a silent listener who is one of his guests. He draws his attention towards the painting of his former Duchess who is now dead. The painting hangs on the wall of his private art gallery. The Duke tells the listener that it's artist FERRARA Pandolf. The Duke invites the listener to sit down, and then he explains the painting of his Duchess. He talks the listener that smile that he can see on the face of his Duchess in the painting was not because of his presence. He says that the heart of his Duchess could be easily won, and it was very easy to impress her with anything. He further tells the listener about the nature of his former wife. Everything was equal for her. The gift of jewelry that he gave her to wear on her chest made her happy. In the same way, she became happy looking at the sunset in the west. The real problem is that she had no special appreciation for the gifts that Duke gave her. At one point, he gave commands, and then all smiles stopped together. Finally, Duke is going to marry soon. He does not worry about the matter of dowry. He knows that the Count will not reject what he demands. However, the beautiful girl is more important for him.